Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Are you ready for some dress up fun?
This suit is sharp. Not only is the color really nice and classic, but it has a really subtle pattern of plaid in it, and it just looks really good. What little boy wouldn't look good in a three-piece suit? My son loves to dress up, and he really loves this suit a lot. The jacket button is easy enough for the little hands to button, but a little tough so that it'll stay in place. Which is great because no one wants their jacket button just to keep coming undone. Look at how nice it fits. Has good breathing room, really quality made. My son can move around a lot. It's not too tight. He can dance, wiggle, jump, play, whatever he needs to do.
If you're looking for a high quality suit that's still fun, but at the same time conservative, if you want to wear it as a three-piece suit or if you want your child to wear it just the vest and the pants, you can mix and match the ties, the shirt. There's so many different possibilities, and each possibility ends with your kid looking cool. So I really would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.